What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Started my video off a little late today. We ended up going food shopping because we gotta eat, right? Anyways, yeah, we're doing food shopping because planning to do a little cookout. So I had to come get some hot dogs, some hamburgers, the bread, and all that fun stuff. Come on, Kaylee.
Can we get sugar cones
For what?
for my ice cream?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just doing a little food shopping because we're gonna do a little parrillada, little cookout. So meet you guys at home. So we got it in the bag, guys. Successful Walmart run, right, babe?
Yeah.
We had 3 freaking carts full of bags and freaking food.
I felt like we were in an episode of Extreme Couponing.
Nah, but yeah, we went in today on shopping. I don't even think we have to go food shopping next week of how much food we got. But yeah, we already left Walmart. We're on our way back home. See you guys there. All right, guys. So I made it back home. Just waiting on my boys to pull up. Andre and Ronan are coming through today. Sadly, the Inspire won't be coming through today, but later on in the video, we might go see it. Today he's coming in his clean 2019 Accord, the white boat. The white boat is coming today. So today's plan is to try and fix the carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna try to wet sand it and clear coat it. So we're gonna try to wet sand it and clear coat it. We'll see how that goes today. Che, who's inside? The boys just pulled up. You already know what's crack-a-lackin', my geysers.
Word.
What's crack-a-lackin'? Y el musicón?
It's right here, my guy.
Damn, look at Chooch.
Yes, sir.
Look at that music box.
You feel me?
Che. Alright, guys, now we gonna take a trip to AutoZone to get some sandpaper and clear coat. See if we could bring this bad hood to life. Look at this, the Chooch. Oof. Oof. See you guys in a few. Alright, guys, so we're here at AutoZone. We're looking at the paints and stuff before. Oh, I almost dropped this shit.
Drop it. Don't drop the soap, yo.
400 grit. Clear coat. I think I'm gonna get another one. Fuck it, I'm gonna go with 2. Alright, my geysers. Time to get to work. We finna take the hood off right now so we can work comfortably. And we also don't wanna spray clear coat on the car. So let's get to work, guys.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Hood is off, guys. Now it's time to get the wet sanding. Hopefully this shit turns out great.
That's facts.
Right?
That's facts.
Yo, guys, should I run hoodless?
Show
Should I
the
fuck
D
it
series.
and show out the great D series? The great value D series?
That's facts. Great. Exactly.
Now it's time to get the sanding.
Yes. Oh, this thing got hurt up here. You could like fold it like this too. You gotta get this wet too.
You gotta get it wet?
Yeah. I've never done this shit in my life.
Word, it's a learning experience.
If I fuck this shit
Learning
up
experience.
or somebody roast me, it's a wrap.
My boy was like, yo, send the hood out. I'll do it for you. I literally just watched the video.
Look, it looks way better. Look,
Yeah.
even with water, just way better.
So you do like like this. Just keep it one side. It's gonna take some elbow grease. You gotta keep, keep it wet when you keep it.
Where somebody hold the water on that shit.
Takes longer with the softer one, but it's better so you don't go that deep and then fuck shit up. You can want a little bit more right now.
This shit look like it has soap.
Where our water? Get the water. Hold it on there.
Yeah, just get a little bit more wet, so there's not a lot of like. Yeah, it's coming off though. You feel like the clear coat. Whatever
Smell
was
that
left,
shit too.
whatever was left of the clear coat. You're gonna notice you're going deep when you could like match almost like where it says high boost to this. Or boost, whatever the fuck it is. Just focus on one section.
It's only the bottom section though. Like,
Where just do
Yeah,
hot.
but just you should do like the whole thing so it just looks even.
Wait, do hot
Everywhere.
first so we can show before and after type shit.
Yeah, so like right here.
So before and after. Alright, so we got Ronan on sandpaper, Kenny on sandpaper, your boy Andre on camera.
camera duty.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's in the water. That shit was under the sun for like 50 years.
Doesn't look like it. Kenny started looking a little better though.
Come on now. That shit's been scrubbed for like 50 years already. I never done this in my life. I never helped all of these shit.
You think we should try that other sandpaper I got?
Which one?
The one I showed you earlier.
Wait, get this
one?
part right
Yeah, you think I
here.
should try it? See how.
Well,
how-
for like these parts was like raised a little bit, where like you feel like I don't know what.
Let's see. Let's try it. Let's see how that works. So guys, this is how far we got into it with the sanding. I'm getting some of it off. It's looking pretty decent. It's feeling good. Like, we just need a little bit more sanding. We're gonna go to the store, back to the store again, to get a little bit of rougher sandpaper and just get out the spots that are a little bit hard to do with that sandpaper, because we got 400 grit, right? Yeah, because 400 grit is just like just for the top, you know, but we need to go a little bit deeper for those the rest of it to come off, because that right now is just like the marks from the sun, you know, because since this part didn't have clear coat and this did, like the clear coat was covering that. Now that the clear coat is off, you just see the good part of it, you know. So yeah, another run to the store to get thicker sandpaper, and we'll be back.
Nadie goza como yo, nadie goza como yo,
We just got back from AutoZone. We're trying 180 grit first, and then we're gonna go to 320, see if we could take most of this stuff off. Just gonna wet it and get back to business. Show you guys the results in a few. It's coming out nice though, right? It's not
Smooth as over here.
smooth. It's coming out nice, guys. And then once we finish, put the clear coat on, and we have a brand new carbon fiber hood. We get back to you guys in a few. This is the progress, guys. This is the progress we made. It's all smooth. All that stuff, all those cracks you're gonna see right now, they're gonna go away with the clear coat. Cause with water you don't see it whatsoever. So we just wiped it down with glass cleaner. Hopefully that works. Just to clean off the little fiber glass that it was on top. You know, the rest of the little chips or whatever. So now it's time to clean. Time to paint. Shit tough. This shit coming out tough. So we went with Rust-Oleum acrylic lacquer. Pardon my English. Clear coat, crystal clear gloss to make it, you know, a nice glossy finish. We bought 2 cans to see, you know, how far we need to go, how many coats we need to give it. So time for the paint, guys. Hopefully it comes out finito finish. My 2 helpers right here.
You feels me though?
You feels me?
I'm learning.
Yo, this is the first time for everybody right here.
Facts.
It's coming out nice.
My brother does body shop at Tech, so he probably knows more than me about this.
Chat. Coming out nice. So let's give it the first coat, see how it looks, and I'll get back to you guys in a few. This is how it's looking right now so far, with, you know, us finishing up the first coat. Not too shabby. Looking alright. You know, okie dokie. Gotta give it a couple more coats so it can all even out.
Better than before.
But it's way better than how it looked before, man. Way better.
Now let it dry so you can see where to hit it again.
Yeah. Shit. Carbon fiber hood coming back to life.
That's right.
Look at that. Carbon fiber. Never mind. I'm gonna get the fucking copyrighted. Andre lazy ass chilling in the fucking car.
Doing bad.
But yeah, guys, this first coat. Doing business.
Feels me?
You feels me? I already know what it is. We made it. This is the finished product. Damn, yo, on camera, this shit look juicy. You know, it needs a little, you know.
It needs probably like
two more coats.
2 more coats. So.
But man, compared to how it was before,
Oh, fact.
sheesh. Look, you can see the imperfections right there a little bit. But hey, shit. Compared to how it was, shit.
Shit went tenfold. Or these 2 more.
Yeah, bro. Shit look nice, bro. Yo, we did a good job, yo.
That's facts.
We did a good job, bro. First timers, bro. Did a good job. We did a good job. You know, we can't complain about our job because, you know, we first timers, man. Yo, this shit looking nice, bro.
JDMAF. Did someone say do a burnout?
Jeez.
I heard somebody say do a burnout.
Burnout?
I heard somebody say do
Burnout?
a
Burnout?
Wait.
there.
Hey, made it.
Do a burnout.
Biggest boat.
Alright guys, so right after that last clip ended, we got lit up real quick right after I did that. Right now, a freaking security guard came out of nowhere, turned on his lights, so means we had to leave. We couldn't take pictures at that area. So we quickly went to another area, took pictures. Guys, so I completely forgot to close out the video. I did not do a proper ending to it, but boys left a long time ago. After that last clip, we just sat down, grubbed out, you know, made some hamburgers, some hot dogs. We just sat there and vibed out, you know, just chill Sunday, you know. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. I want you guys to smack that like button, subscribe, comment. You guys already know what to do. So catch you guys later.